All right, guys, here's the snake. The snake's a lot of fun. We're gonna have to do this, so let's go and familiarize ourselves with it. So we have to go left around this first cone, around this middle cone, around these two cones, all the way to end, and then all the way around. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. Okay, what did we get? What did we get? 14.9. Okay, 14.9. So now that I know it, we're warming up. Okay, around this cone, around these two cones, we have to go straight, and then around everything. And I hit that cone, so this run doesn't count! That's what happens, guys, if you get a little too close. Like, if you hit a cone in the Smart Rider games, you gotta redo the run. You gotta redo the run. 13.1, so it doesn't matter. Well, thankfully, it's just the warm-up, so now we're gonna go for time. The goal is to not hit the cone. 13.14 does not count, but that's a good goal. All right, for time. So I can give it some speed around there because it's just basically a straight loop. 12.5, hey, that's fine. 13.4, whatever it was the other time, doesn't matter anymore. I got 12.5. We're gonna jump into the new exercise called the tuning fork. Let's jump into that.